Hey guys, it is a cold and rainy day and I'm going to make up some egg drop soup to warm up the soul. It is easy, simple, budget-wise, and so comforting. So let me show you how to do this. Let's begin by beating up a couple of eggs, and we're going to beat these to the point where they're just about frothy. Then add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat, and I'd say this is all about a tablespoon. In with the star of the show, 2 medium fresh tomatoes, and I've chopped these up to the point where they're not too fine, not too thick. And if you can, guys, get some really nice, fresh, ripe tomatoes, and of course, if they're in season, that makes everything even better. Grab up your handy-dandy wooden spoon or spatula and stir and fry these around. Again, we're over medium-high heat. And we're going to continue to fry these until they break down a little bit and they become, I'd say on the mushy side, because it is soup and you don't want big chunks of tomatoes in your soup. Now we've gotten these tomatoes to the point where we want them, we're going to go in with a teaspoon of ginger. And you just have to have ginger, it adds that incredible flavor. A couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, and I can't stress enough, guys, if you can find a good soy sauce, use that. It makes all the difference in the world. And I might add, I use low sodium, but it's entirely up to you. Now, 4 cups of chicken stock, and you can use shrimp or vegetable, whatever you like. Fresh stock is great, but the cubes will absolutely do. Hit this up with some ground black pepper, and you know me, I love pepper, and using somewhere in the neighborhood of about a teaspoon and a half. Give this a stir until everything comes together nicely. And of course, bring it to a good rolling boil. Now in with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch diluted in 3 tablespoons of water. Then simply grab up your spoon one more time and give it a stir until it begins to thicken up and look absolutely beautiful. Just look at that boil away. Ooh, doggies. Now the show ain't over yet, my friends, because we are going in with that egg mixture. And here's the secret. You want to add that slowly and stir and stir and stir, so it becomes beautifully combined into an egg drop soup. You do not want to pour this all in at once, otherwise you'll end up with a big clump of scrambled eggs in the broth. Believe me, you do not want that, and look at how you got that beautiful, beautiful swirl in there. Oh, so good and so perfect. Dave's getting excited. Now, I think we are just about done, but not quite, so don't go away. Because we are going to ladle this delicious soup into a bowl. Of course, give it that finito touch by adding a few chopped green onions. And now, and only now, we are ready to serve. And just check this out, guys. Doesn't this look yummy, soul-fulfilling, if that's a word? And absolutely delicious. You are going to love this, especially on these cool and rainy days. And you spoon this up, my friends, and it is indeed everything I said it was. You are going to want to make this for sure. And if you want to make up more soups, head on over to our playlist. I'll put a link above and below in the description section because there are many, many more super delicious soups there. Hungry for more? Subscribe.